What's up, everybody? Jeremy here with another Mazda 3 problem. My 2019 Mazda 3, and what you're looking at, from context, I've got it zoomed in. We're in the back of the car, place that I don't go very often because, well, I don't have people in my back seat. My seats are, usually folded down. But what are you looking at here? Defects in the leather that have been there probably since day one, and I just noticed it the other day. Fortunately, it's getting fixed under warranty, but what the hell is going on here? Look at the texture in this. My phone's freaking out. Doesn't like doing this. But you can see these spots right here versus the rest of it. Defective leather. This is not a premium vehicle. If you bought one of these, I hope you have a better one than I do. Yeah. Thanks for watching.